In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a plan inside of Jira. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Jira like you usually would. Then from here you need to go over to plans. And right beside plans you'll see this plus icon where you can create a new plan. Then from here this page should be popping up where you can name your plan to whatever you really want to. You can change the access code to either private or open, and you can add work to your plan. You can either add it to a board, a project, or a filter. You can also add it to a board name and select a theme if you have that one. This one right here, the theme is optional, but the two others here are mandatory. Then you can also add more work, which means you duplicate the board name, and the theme. And when you're done, you simply need to click Create, like so. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!